Hello guys, naghihain na naman ako ulit. I finished already my cleaning. Not yet pala because ang bathroom. Yun na yun, mamaya na siguro yung bathroom pagkatapos ng pagdating na ni Sisi kasi it's almost 2:15 p.m. and maybe Sisi she come before 3 o'clock p.m. So now I'm here in the kitchen. I'm sitting here in the kitchen and I'm looking of the cake. I don't know if I want to slice this one. I want to eat because cake talaga is my favorite. Ewan ko. Basta hindi too much icing lang nako. Yun ang pinakagusto ko talaga. Pero pag maraming icing at saka maraming mga ano ba yun, halo-halo sa mga mix ba, hindi ko, yeah, I like it also but hindi ba masyado, hindi kaya nito mga plain, mga chocolate cake at saka mga ganito, mga chapon, ano bang tawag yun. Yan talaga pag hindi tayo wala tayong talent sa cooking, lalo na pag mga ay naku, magaling lang talaga akong kumain, sa totoo lang. I'm best in eating. Kain ako ng kain pagdating, kahit nagtatrabaho ako, kain. Pagdating na ng 7 o'clock or 8 o'clock, hindi na, nag-limit na ako. Kasi time to sleep na yan after maliban lang kung talaga mapilitan akong kumain. Diba? Andito yung shy ko. Iniinit ko siya, tapos ngayon yung mainit na naman, inaantay ko ng konti na hindi na masyadong mainit. Ay, ginawa ko buhay. Ayan, mamaya na naman yung linis sa banyo. Ay, nakulinis ulit sa banyo. Sa banyo, lilinis ako twice. Twice a day ang banyo. Ang CR. Ito na lang. Pistachio. You know, I'm very sorry. I cannot pronounce good na because of my teeth. That's the problem of me. Okay? So that's why sometimes bulul and I cannot pronounce well. Even we are talking to Sisi. If I talk to Sisi, I cannot pronounce good. Masarap siya. Maganda nga naman talaga yan sa kape. Kasi pag kape, lalo na pag kape na hindi ka mag-sugar, even sa shy, if you are not if you are not drinking with sugar, it's good as well. Sa for adult. Pero pag children, nako, they like it. Mga paborito nila siguro to. Pero pag mga edad 50 above na, mga limit na nito. Pero sa totoo talaga masarap siya. It's very yummy. Yummy kasi siyempre, libre. Libre sa pagkain. Diba? Kaya ganun. Alam mo, swerte ka rin pag magiging katulong ka. If you're a housemaid. Especially if your employer, that they are free in everything. They don't care. And the important that they are looking and they are knowing that you are working hard. And they just give you what they want, especially in the food. So, kakain ka talaga ng kakain hanggang kaya mo. Pag hindi kuripot. Ano bang kuripot sa English? Ewan ko. Minsan makakalimutan ko na. Siguro dahil na rin sa edad at saka hindi lahat. Hindi lahat. Pero ako kasi, hindi na kasi 100% like before. Na when I'm still young pa, my age. Until, na medyo maano pa yung memory, tapos yung talagang pa. Pero umpisa na, nagkaroon na ng problema yung health ko, kaya ganun na. Pero thanks God, I'm still alive. And now I'm working. Same as usual pa rin, wala namang pagbabago. Walang pagbabago ba na sa trabaho. Ganun pa rin ang trabaho, housemaid. Housemaid, eating more. Working more. Alam mo, sa totoo, mauubot ko naman nang wala sa oras. Ako naman din yung nagkakain yan dito. Kasi si Madam, nagda-diet. Si Sir, hindi masyadong sa sweet. Kaya yan. Ako din yan nagkakain. Sa totoo lang. Sige na, thank you again. Thank you for watching. Again, thank you to subscribe me always. You support me. And you have patience to watch my simple video. And I wish some of them that you are watching, you are not doing subscribe to me, you just watching. I wish you are watching to me also. I'm always saying to you that I'm asking only a favor from you. I'm asking a favor to support my small YouTube channel. Okay. I wish only. It depends naman of you. It depends of you if you like or not. At least that I'm asking you a favor that you can support me. And thank you again. Thank you. With your all families. Obey, respect, and love to your parents while they are still here with you together, and you are very lucky. Me nga, I have no more mama, papa, nanay, tatay, no more. So, but I'm still here. I'm still working. Ganun lang talaga ang buhay. Okay, yala, bye-bye.